The U.S. Supreme Court has issued two landmark rulings, one dismissing a challenge from multiple Republican-led states to dismantle the Affordable Care Act. It also sided with a Catholic foster care agency that was cut off by the city of Philadelphia for refusing to work with same-sex couples. Jan Crawford joins us now from Washington with more on this. Jan, thank you so much for joining us. So let's dig into these two landmark cases. Can you explain yesterday's decisions in more detail and their significance? We'll start with the Affordable Care Act one, and then we'll go on to the Catholic foster agency.
Oh, sure. I mean, of course, the Affordable Care Act signed into law, President Obama's signature achievement when he signed it into law back in 2010, almost immediately attacked by Republicans in court and Congress. This was the third time that Republicans have tried to get the Supreme Court to throw out the Affordable Care Act. They were arguing that Congress really had exceeded its powers when it passed it. It didn't have authority to require Americans to buy insurance, and so it should just all get thrown out again. I mean, I've got to say, and the third time that they came up here, they'd lost the other two. This was their worst defeat. I mean, you want to say it's like the third strike kind of. And I think many people are saying on both sides, Democrats and Republicans, that this fight really is over. The Affordable Care Act is here to stay. The Supreme Court has spoken. I think what was unique about this case, in some of the others, I said it was the worst defeat. Every time this has been up here at the Supreme Court, the first time it was 5-4. The second case, 6-3. Yesterday, 7-2. So there's a kind of a trend there that we're seeing. The Supreme Court is saying, look, leave it alone.
And then as for the other case, the case out of Philadelphia having to do with this Catholic organization that refused to work with potential foster families if they were same-sex couples.
Right. In this case, I think what was really interesting was there was agreement, 9-0, a unanimous decision on something that the groups on both sides of the issue thought was going to be this huge divisive case. The same-sex couples were arguing it's potentially a landmark case for gay rights. The religious organizations were saying, no, this is a big landmark case for religious freedom. And instead, what the court did was a very narrow case that didn't really set any new sweeping decisions. Instead, they were able to find unanimity and come together and look at a kind of unique language and Philadelphia's contracting laws and say, here, the Catholic services, their religious freedom had been violated, that they were not seeking to impose their religious beliefs on anyone else, and so this was fine. The city couldn't end its contract with them. They also pointed out, the Catholic organization did, that they've been doing this for more than 50 years, placing these kids in foster homes that were referred to them by the city, and no same-sex couple had ever tried to go through their organization, that there were other organizations that they would turn to. So unanimous on that one, but I got to say, next year, watch out. You're not going to see as many of these unanimous consensus opinions.
Wait, why do you say that?
Because next year, and you know, this is really the kind of the first controversial cases that we've had from this new Supreme Court. Obviously, those 3 new justices appointed by President Trump, former President Trump. So everyone was saying, wow, this is going to be a huge shift to the right, bitterly divisive. So then what happens? We get these 2 cases yesterday. One is 7-2, one is 9-0. So it looks like, oh, maybe it's not going to be so divisive up here. No. I think it's way too soon to say that. This is like a little snapshot in time, but these cases, they were able to resolve on really narrow grounds. Next year, the most divisive, contentious issues facing our society, they've already agreed to take up. They have a frontal challenge, a full-scale assault on Roe versus Wade. There's a chance, of course, that hangs in the balance. It's been decades since they've had a case, an abortion rights case of that significance. They've got a gun rights case, probably affirmative action. I mean, you go across the board. So I will be surprised if we see this kind of, unanimity and consensus really continue, certainly in some of those big cases. It's going to put them to the test next year.
Jan Crawford, thanks. Man, Jan, when you talk about the Supreme Court, sometimes I feel like I'm watching like a sports game. I get all excited because you're so good at kind of like telling us how important this is, and it truly is sort of exciting stuff. I appreciate it. Jan Crawford, thank you so much.
Well, thank you. Thank you.